Hello, this is MovinsEdition. MovinsEdition has only one 245mm in possession. It's Nike Women's Air Flight 13. The Nike Flight 13 was originally released in 2013. A modern take on the classic Air Flight 89, they feature a retro style of Air with the same tooling as the Air Jordan 4. The Nike Flight 13 Mid can rightly be seen as a spiritual successor to the popular Air Flight 89. And in this newest colorway, the 13s get familiar with one of the 89's signature looks. It's a celebrity basketball shoe product that even celebrities like. A fan-favorite pair of shoes amongst old-school sneaker enthusiasts, the Nike Air Flight 89 is often touted as a poor man's version of the Air Jordan 4. However, history has proved that the Air Jordan 4 originally released after the Nike Air Flight 89. If nostalgia is your thing, you can find the Nike Air Flight 89 Retro available now at Nike Air Flight 13. Nike Air Flight 13 products. One of the Nike Air Flight models,